Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mama Elephant YouTube channel. This is Rena. Today we're going to take a look at the last two products for the January 15th release. And first up is a stamp set called Easy Sentiments. I love all the different sentiments in this set. I'll be reading them later while I'm doing the coloring. Easy Sentiments also comes with a coordinating die that will cut out 3 sentiments at a time, and I'll show you how that works in a bit. Here are what the products look like. So here's the stamp set. So the stamp set will come with 6 sets of 3. So you'll get 18 sentiments total. And there's the coordinating die there. And that die will layer on top of one of the sets. You line it up using the stars, and that's how you'll be able to cut out 3 sentiments at a time. So for today's card, I'm going to be using 4 of the sentiments, and I'm using, I think it was like 2 different sets, and I picked 4 from the 6 that I was going to use for my card. So we were very reckless today, very reckless, because usually I like to plan out the cards in advance and pick the colors and all that, but today we decided to just go for it and throw caution to the wind. I'm trying to use different colors. So today I'm using kind of like a light green. I'm going for like a farm light green situation look today. I'm not sure why I'm like into the farm aesthetic, but this is what we're doing. So for the green tone, I selected Mowed Lawn Distress Oxide ink. I kind of like that green. And we're also using one of my favorite dies from Mama Elephant. This is an older one, an oldie but goodie. It's the Tri-Grid Window. And then I'm also, since today's stamp set is sentiments, I thought I'd pull in some of my favorite images from older stamp sets. I really like the trees from Scene Builder, and I love snow globe scenes, and I thought I would use 2 images from snow globe scenes. I really liked how mini they are, and they go perfect with the agendas. And we're also going to use the little llama agenda images that we colored a couple days ago. I had a lot of extra, so we're going to use those images up that I had already colored. So the Tri-Grid Window cuts out 3 different sort of panels, and that's where I'm stamping out the images from the older stamp sets. So I'm just going to color these up. I'm just doing like a light wash of BG11. I will have all of the Copic marker colors in the description box because there's a lot. And I used Neenah 110 pound paper and stamped out using the Gina K Designs amalgam ink in Obsidian. So I'm just coloring these in green. I kind of want my colors to be muted. I like just muted colors. And I was thinking, should I do rainbow? What should I do? So I think I did rainbow, but it's not obvious. So I'm just coloring these in different greens, light, medium, and dark, and I'm just mixing it up. So like no 2 next to each other are the same color. So we're going to color in the next 2 images from snow globe scenes. And I will actually read all of the sentiments from the stamp set. So they're sending smiles across the miles, loads of hugs and good vibes. Can't wait to hug you in person. I'm lucky to have a friend like you. You make the world a nicer place. We just clicked right from the start. To the most wonderful friend ever. I love people I can be weird with. That's my favorite one of the stamp set. The I love people I can be weird with. And then the next one is no one gets me better than you. Happy, happy birthday to you. Wishing you a slice of happiness. Have a birthday as fab as you are. Life should not only be lived, it should be joyously celebrated. Happiest of birthdays to you. And the last set, your kindness touched my heart. My heart is still smiling. Thank you for all the little things. So they come in the 3 sets, but you can mix and match all of them to sort of the sentiment that you want it to say. So I wanted to use as many as I could. And the grid die is perfect for this because I was able to fit in 4 of the sentiments. I really like coloring the images. I very rarely just stamp an image on the panel without, die cutting it. But I kind of like making the background and then layering on top like other images. Like for this one, we're going to do the llamas. So I waited for my ink to dry before I cut it out. And so these are what the strips look like after you cut it out using the coordinating die. They're really nice and thin. I like the sizing of them. And we're going to put the card together now. I just have a little a panel that I'm going to adhere everything on. First, I'm going to double stack my tri-grid window pieces because that green piece of paper is pretty thin and I just wanted the card to be a little bit more solid, so that's why I double stacked it. So we're going to take the panels that we colored and we're just going to inset them in to the card front. I just love those trees. I think they're so cute and whimsical. And then we're going to take our sentiments that we cut out. The order I decided was to the most wonderful friend ever. I love people I can be weird with. Loads of hugs and good vibes. Can't wait to hug you in person. So I really like that you can take a different combination of the sentiments and really customize your message on your card. So I'm not popping anything up. I'm just gluing everything down with art glitter glue. I like to use the fine metal tip on that. And then we're going to adhere all of our llama images that we colored the other day. I chose the llamas that didn't have any clothes or little accessories. I just wanted the plain llamas for this because I didn't want it to compete with the background images. And that's a wrap. I'm calling that card done. Remember, the release drops January 15th, 12 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe and happy crafting. I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.